Hi, I'm Russell, this is Melinda, my daughter Meg, and we came from Australia in March 2014 to have Tarsal Coalition Surgery with Dr. Blitz here in New York. For what he's skilled and trained at doing, he's obviously the best in the world. Meg had a problem with her ankle. She's a dancer, and we were told in Australia that the problem with her ankle was one that had to go for a few years, and then they'd fuse her ankle, which would stop her from dancing.
It was just like someone was stabbing me in the ankle, or like a hammer. It was like bashing my bone. It was painful. And then we went to Sydney to see a surgeon over there, and he said pretty much just get another hobby. In 5 years, come back and we'll fuse your ankle. It made me feel a bit like disappointed.
And we did a lot of research in relation to what the problem was, and the thing that came through for us was that it can be treated early, and if it is treated early in a teenager or a young person, then obviously the likely outcome is much better. We were very impressed with Dr. Blitz, who rang straight away, discussed what our options were. He spoke in very plain English, easy to understand. He knew exactly what the problem was, and he said that he was the right man to fix it. So we made the decision to come over to get the surgery done.
Well, I was at school and Mum messaged me and she was like, we found someone in New York who will do your surgery, and I was so excited. I was like, oh my God, let's do it.
When we arrived in New York, Melinda and Meg arrived before I did, and they saw Dr. Blitz on the first day.
Yeah, we were very comfortable.
Yeah.
Within the first 5 minutes of meeting Dr. Blitz, the first question he directed to us was about Meg and about her dancing, about the problem. Very easy to speak to. He explained it very well.
Just
and
feel very comfortable with him.
That's right.
She's got great movement in her foot. Dr. Blitz is very happy with the way that things went, and we're very happy as well. So glad that we did it.
Well, the second day after surgery, I was like rolling my ankle, like getting movement, and I already had more movement than I did before the surgery, and it was only the second day. So I was really excited, and it feels good.
My advice to anyone who's thinking of coming to see Dr. Blitz is don't hesitate.
Yeah.
Make sure you send your information to them. They'll get back to you, they'll understand what your problem is, and you will not regret it.
I feel very relieved and so happy that we've made this decision to come over here. It's amazing, and it's life-changing, I think, for Meg. And
I'm very glad that we did it.
Yeah, don't regret one minute of it. We would absolutely recommend Dr. Blitz to anyone who has any problem with their feet or ankles.